Hi friends, today I am with Nokia G21. It was recently launched in India and today we are going to discuss about the best feature what Nokia G21 is offering. Should you guys buy this smartphone or not and why you should buy this? So everything will be in this video, so keep watching the video till the end to know the best features of this smartphone. Now talking about the box content, in the box what you are getting, I will definitely like to show you. First of all, in the box you get some paperwork, there is a SIM card ejector tool and there is also a charger. It comes with the 18-watt charger which will do the fast charging. So you are getting a fast charger, you are also getting a Type-C cable to charge your phone. Here I will like to show you the Type-C cable what you are getting inside the box. There is no earphone present in the box, but you are also getting a back cover which is a silicone back cover for the smartphone. I would definitely like to show you the back cover here, how you can fit it. It looks transparent and it is very good in quality wise. Now coming to the device, we will talk about few more things. You get a fingerprint sensor in the power button, volume rocker keys. There is a Nokia branding. It comes with the triple camera setup at the back. Front also has a camera which we will talk about later. You are getting a dedicated button for Google Assistant. If you talk about the SIM, it comes with the dual SIM card support with expandable memory storage also. Here you can see you have a 3 slot where dual 2 nano SIM can be installed. It comes with the speakers at the bottom with the Type-C charging cable. In the top you are getting a 3.5 mm port to also use a wire cable. Now coming to the device, the best part is that it comes with the stock Android where you are getting the cleanest of the software experience, and you are getting a 6.5-inch display which comes with the 1600 into 720p, which means that it comes with the HD plus display. It has a 20:9 aspect ratio, it has a V notch. It will also give you 90 Hz refresh rate. Here you can see there are two refresh rate, adaptive and standard. The standard will be 60 Hz and there is a 90 Hz. 90 Hz will consume more battery. You will also get the dark theme pre-installed which comes with the software. If you talk about the hardware, it also has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. The device what we got, it comes with the 128 GB of storage. It has a fingerprint sensor on the power key and also the face recognition is also there, so you can unlock the device with your face. Now I will register the face and after that I will show you how you can unlock with your fingerprint sensor and also with your face. So now I am using the fingerprint sensor and it unlocks very fast and smoothly. There is no issue. If you talk about the face recognition, I will change the fingerprint. I will change it with another finger. Here it will unlock with the face ID. So the face ID unlock is also working quite fine. Face unlock is working fine. If you talk about the software experience, it is great because it comes with the stock Android and you get only pre-installed Netflix and Spotify which you can always uninstall. Now coming to the OS, it is running on Android 11 which is a stock Android. I have already told you. The company is also promised of 2 years of software upgrade and it will deliver you 3 years of security patch. Here you can see the display. It comes with a 6.5-inch display. It has a 5050 mAh battery 5050. So definitely it will last longer, more than 2 days what company is promising. If you talk about the camera, it comes with the 3 camera at the back with 50 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro camera. The 50 megapixel main camera comes with the f1.8. Now talking about the front camera, it comes with the 8 megapixel. So the front camera is coming with 8 megapixel. It has a V notch. In that you are getting the front camera. Now I will show you the some of the camera features. If you talk about the camera, it looks pretty much ordinary. It doesn't have too much cluttering. So we'll start. It has a 1x and 2x in middle. I will just enhance the brightness first so that you guys can have a proper look. Now talking about the autofocus, it works smoothly. It has few settings which are very common, including the shutter sound, grid, location tag. Location tag you can switch it off if you don't want. There is a haptic feedback. There is long press of the shutter, so you can choose that long press can take a video quickly or a burst shot. Then there is a mirror photo of the front camera. You can scan the QR code HDR is automatically on or off, it is up to you. There is watermark. There is OZO audio, which will capture best audio quality while taking the video shots. If you talk about the video, it can shoot full HD from the rear camera and also HD. If you talk about the front camera, it can also shoot full HD and HD. So you can't shoot 4K in the front or the back, so it can be a bummer for some people, but it works fine with the price point what it is offering. So I am completely okay. And the long shutter can be changed into video or a burst shot. Now going to the settings directly here, you can see it has a very simple camera application and it works very smoothly on the autofocus part. Talking about the portrait night mode, first you are getting more menu where you are getting panorama shot, time lapse and macro. If you see, there is a night mode which is specifically and dedicated for the phone. It comes with the 1x and the 2x zoom. So there is a 2x zoom also present in the smartphone. You are getting a portrait shot, you can try that. There is a photo mode, there is video mode. The video lets you to shoot full HD and HD. You can also zoom X into 2x, so you can try that too. If you want to go, you can check it out. There is slow motion also present. So this is what are the features you are getting. In the top you are getting a video motion, you are also getting Google Lens in present, and there is also timer for capturing the picture, so you can try the timer too. And there are 3 options for the same. Even you are getting the resolution which you can change. Currently the aspect ratio is 4:3, but you can also go to 4:3 50 megapixel. I will definitely let you know, if you capture the image in 50 megapixel, the image size will be larger. Definitely you will get more details, but it will be little bit larger in size. If you talk about the front camera, the front camera can also shoot photo in the portrait mode, and you can definitely check out some of the samples which will be in this video later on. And you are also getting the video mode. The video can be shoot in full HD and HD, which I have already told you guys. Now we will just check it out, some of the camera samples, that how good the G21 camera is. Here are some of the camera samples. This is a macro shot taken with G21. You can enable or disable the watermark. This is a HDR shot using the AI. This is a normal shot using the portrait, and this is also taken a portrait shot of the flower. This is the macro shot, and then we have taken a portrait again using the rear camera. So these are some of the samples which are good enough. You can judge yourself. This is a normal front camera shot, then I have taken with a portrait mode. So these are the camera samples. Now talking about the gaming, yes, you can do the gaming. It comes with the 1.6 GHz octa-core processor, which is the Unisoc T606. Here you can see the graphics and the frame rate which is supportable for Call of Duty. Now let's play the game and check out how the gaming performance is, and you guys are better to judge that the gaming performance is good enough or not.
Confirmed. Enemy in sight. Enemy contact. out, team. Enemy spotted. Hey, down! Changing mag!
Reloading! Targets in sight. Enemy in sight! Enemy down!
Kill confirmed.
Enemy! Enemy in sight! Enemy contact! Targets in sight! Enemy contact! Enemy in sight! Enemy contact! Enemy in sight! Contact with enemy! Reloading!
Kill confirmed. Ready to deploy. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Enemy in sight!
Kill confirmed.
Enemy contact! Targets in sight!
Sentry gun deployed.
Target down! Enemy contact! Targets in sight!
So you can also check it out BGMI graphics settings too. Now talking about the price point, this will be available for 12,999 for 4GB 64GB and 14,999 for 4GB 128GB. It will be available in two colors, Nordic blue and the dust color. What we got is the Nordic blue. So this is all about Nokia G21. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.